There is a Mazda 5. Before we get started, I want to give a quick shout out to Max Automotive for letting us use the car over here to film the videos. Check out the link in the description for more details on their inventory. Now let's go ahead, open the driver's side door, pop the primary hood release lever from there, hood pops up. Now in front of the vehicle, right on top of that Mazda emblem there, that's where the secondary hood release lever is. You gotta put one finger in there and push it right, lift up the hood. This hood requires a prop rod, so get it out. Put it in the slot with the arrow marking it over there. Put the rod in there and then sort of pull it back, and that's it. Now it's secured in place. It's not going anywhere. Now once the hood is open, right there, that's where the air box is. Inside is the air filter. Get that one clip off. The second clip is back there. Let's get that off as well. Now get that hose out of the way. Now there are two slots over there, and there are two tabs that go into the slots over there. That's one. The tab needs to slide out of that slot like that. One, and then there's another one over there in the back. Yep, that's the one. Slide out of there as well. And now you should be able to lift up the airbox cover. That's the filter right there. All you have to do now is just grab it and get it out. Alright, lift up the cover and slide the filter out, and there it is. Now the way it works is outside air comes from the bottom, so that's why you see all the dirt trapped over there. So outside air comes from the bottom, all the dirt gets trapped over there, and then clean air goes from the top inside the engine. That's why you see this is the filtered side. It's clean still. Get the new filter, make sure it's the exact same size as the old filter, and before you put it back in, you can vacuum clean that box over there if you want. You don't have to, but it's nice to do it. Slide the new filter back in. It should sit snug. There should be no gaps. Now we can put the cover back on. The two tabs over there, they need to slide into the slots there. One in the back, one in the front. Only once the tabs are back in the slots can you easily put those clips back on, because if it's not, then you'll have trouble putting those clips back on. See, this is looking good. Now let's go ahead, put those clips back on. 1 and 2, and you've now successfully changed the air filter on your Mazda 5. Hope you found it useful. In order to close the hood, push on the hood, take load off of the prop rod, pull it out of there, put it back in its place like that. There's two contact points, so make sure it's secured properly like that. Now lower the hood and slam it shut.